Hello and welcome to Personal Training Academy, hosted by Total PT Fitness Software. Today in this tutorial, we're going to show you how to make an exercise fitness template. We'll start by defining exactly what a template is. Then we'll show you 3 ways that exercise templates can improve your personal training. And then finally, we will show you step by step how to create an exercise fitness template that will meet your personal training principles as well as your clients' needs. My name is Doug, and I do the training here at Total PT Fitness. Creating a workout template is actually quite simple, and it will make your personal training job much easier. And just so we're on the same page, let's define what a fitness template actually is. An exercise template quite simply is a group of exercises under one name. For example, it could be leg day using weights, arm day using elastics or tubing, ab and back day using no equipment at all. They can essentially be whatever you want. Fitness templates are good for 3 reasons. First, they eliminate the need to create an exercise program from scratch for every single one of your clients. What this means is the process of creating an exercise fitness program for your client is streamlined and therefore much faster. Second, using fitness templates will give your exercise programs consistency while still retaining the ability to customize them for each client. They're not just cookie-cutter programs. And finally, using templates will allow you to review and determine how well your programs are working so that you can fine-tune them and improve your skills as a personal trainer. For example, you can look at various programs over time with various clients, determining the strengths and weaknesses of your fitness programs. Using that knowledge, you can revise and update your templates to create even better fitness programs. So let's get right to it. To create a template, go to the settings, drop down to exercise, choose exercise templates, click on the add template button, and give the template a name. We're going to call it sample arm day, give it a description, and then under template notes is where you can put in a pre-made note to go to your client. Next, you'll choose a category. In this case, we're going to choose shoulder, although you could also choose elbow and wrist or multiple categories. Next, go to the Select tab, or you can choose the Next button. This will take you to a screen allowing you to search for exercises. If you haven't already watched the tutorial to show you how to create an exercise program and search for exercises, we would suggest that you do that first and come back and finish this tutorial. But for now, we're going to just grab a few sample exercises. So let's say that these 4 exercises were the exercises that we wanted to provide for arm day. The next step is to go to the Customize tab, or again, you can click on Next. Here you can decide whether you want a standard workout or a circuit. If it's a circuit workout, you can choose how many circuits. Down here under each exercise, you can set up the sets and reps. Reps can also be changed to minutes and seconds. Frequencies can be chosen from any of these options. You can also edit the instructions for the exercise. And you would do that for each of these exercises. When you've done that, you click on Done. And now you will have an exercise template. Let's show you how this works in real life. Let's go back to the Client tab. We'll choose our client. We'll drop down to the Exercise tab. We'll create an exercise program for this client. Now, instead of having to search for those 4 or 5 exercises or however many you've put in your template, you would simply click on Template Search, look for shoulder, search. We find sample arm day. If you want to see what that contains, you can expand it. Otherwise, you simply select them, All 4 exercises go over directly. You can further customize by putting in weights, choosing English, Spanish, or French. Now you can name it. Here are the pre-made populated notes. And then we would simply go up to the send button and send this program to the client. So you can see how simple and fast the process is when you use exercise templates. This concludes this tutorial. If you are a current customer, we hope this training tutorial has helped you use Total PT Fitness a little bit better. If you're not a current customer and you're interested in Total PT Fitness, we do offer a free 2-week trial. There's a link down below. And as an additional incentive, we can offer you a 10% discount on your first year sign up of your subscription. That coupon code will also be listed down with the link. Again, thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you on the next tutorial.